Hello my students, how are you? Group 2 today we solve from author book lesson number 1 unit 2 explain Cartesian product between two sets. Like if we have x and y two sets and we want to put the Cartesian product between together, the answer will give me a lot of orders lies between two brackets. Look at with me about the first information here. The order pair like 2 and 5 not equivalent to 5 and 2 in the coordinate plane. If we have two ordered are equal, then the first conjunction equal first and second conjunct equal second conjunct. Like this example. Here, self-evolution number 1. Look at here. Number 1, if we have 2x and negative 3y all equal to 8 and 6. Then the first projection equal the second projection. First equal first and second equal second. Then x will be equal 4. And then negative 3y equals 6. The value of y equals 6 divided negative 3 equal negative 2. We have value of x and y. It's question number 1. And question number 2 we have 2a plus 1 and 8 is equal to 7 and half b. In the first 2a plus 1 is 7, then the value of 2a equals 6, the value of a equals 3, and 8 equal half of b. The value of b equals 16. We have a equals 3 and b equals 16. Next question number 3. The first conjunction x power 2 plus 1 and the cubic root of y was equal to 5 and negative 2. Then the first x power 2 plus 1 equal 5 and the cubic root of y will be negative 2. Then x power 2 equal 5 minus 1 is 4. And the value of x will be positive or negative square root of 4. Then the value of x will be positive or negative 2. We can find the value of y by right hand side, right hand side power 3 to cancel cubic root of y. Cubic root here. Then the result will be negative 2 power 3. The value of y will be negative 8. Negative 8. Next question. Cartesian product of two infinity sets. We can find the answer by write the brackets and the orders solutions. The Cartesian product of set y by x not equal x by y. Like this. X by y first. The Cartesian product of set x by set y. The set of all order base whose first projection is an element of x and whose second projection is an element of y. Okay, we will explain the example. Look at the example number 2. Solve here by using diagram, Cartesian diagram. Now I will solve this question here left hand side. Self-evolution number 2, number 1 here from number 2. Okay, question here is this question number 1. He won't find x Cartesian product by y. We can put a set of x 1 2 3 Cartesian product with y was 2 and 5. Then we have 1 and 2, 1 and 5, 2 with 2 and 2 with 5, and then 3 with 2 and then 3 with 5. Okay, and represent using arrow diagram. We can draw arrow diagram like this. X and second y. X 1 2 3 and y 2 and 5. and then draw the array from 1 with 2, 1 with 5, 1, and then 2. We have two only here, 2 solution, and 2 with 2, 2 with 5, and 3 with 2, and 3 with 5. Next question, number 2. We want to find y Cartesian product by x. Y, the element in y 2 and 5, and the element in x was 1, 2, 3. In the first projection here, in the order will be 2, with the second 2 with 1, and 2 with 2, and 2 with 3, and then 5 with 1, 5 with 2, and 5 with 3. A recent Cartesian product, we can draw this vertical and horizontal. So we have first y down here, and second x here. Write the element of y and element of x. Element of y 2 and 5, and x 1, 2, and 3. Then we'll find the image about each one, like this. It's Cartesian diagram, okay? Next question. We know this Cartesian product with y not equivalent to y Cartesian by x. They are not equivalent. Notice that we want to find here Cartesian product by itself. X by x will be x2. And x Cartesian product with null set phi, it will be null set. The result will be null set phi. Then you can find the relation between x and x, Cartesian product between together. You can use arrow diagram like this, draw rectangle and all points inside it, and draw the array between the first projection and second projection. Now I will solve self-evolution number 3 here. Solve this question, okay? Number 1. We have x equal 7 and 8, and he won't find x2. x2 is meaning 7 and 8 will be Cartesian product with 7 and 8. Then x2 equal set of 7 and 7. Distribute 7, 7, 7, 8. First projection now 8, and second projection 7. 8 with 7 and 8 with 8. Okay, it's x2. Then represent arrow diagram. I will draw rectangle like this and write inside 7 here and 8. Draw from 8 to 7 and 8 to itself, and also 7 to itself and 7 to 8. This is question number 1. Question number 2. We have x equal 3, 4, and 6. We want to find x Cartesian product by x. 3, 4, and 6 Cartesian product by the same 3, 4, and 6. 3 with 3, and 3 with 4, and 3 with 6. 4 with 3, 4 with 4, 4 with 6, and 6 with 3, 6 with 4, and 6 with 6. And then represent Cartesian diagram. We can put x here and x. X was 3, 4, and 6, and x also 3, 4, and 6, with the image like this, x with itself. Next question. Self-evaluation number 4. We have x 5 and y equal 2 and 3 and z equal to 4 and 5. We want to find number 1. Y Cartesian product by y union z. First, the set of y was 2 and 3. Cartesian product with y union z. Look, y, z, we can add together y and z. Right, 2 and 3 is the element of y union z. Z has 2, 4, 5. You can write 4 and 5 because 2 right here. Don't repeating 2. Then you can complete the order. 2 with 2, 2 with 3, and 2 with 4, and 2 with 5, and 3 with 2, 3 with 3, 3 with 4, 3 with 5. Number 2, x intersection with z, Cartesian product by y intersection by z. X and z, the intersection between x and z, x, z intersection at 5, right? 5 here. Y intersection by z, y, z, look here, the element in y and z, we have 2 lies in x and y and z. He want y, look at here, y, it's y 2 and 3, and z 2, 4, 5. The intersection between 2 and 3 and the 4, 2, 5, it will be 2. The intersection will be 2. 2 was the intersection between together. It's repeating between two sets. In the Cartesian product will be the order 5 and 2. Okay, this is question number 2. Question number 3. He wants z difference y product Cartesian product yz minus difference x. Okay. Z difference y. What is the element in z and not found in y? We have in z 2 and 4. Cartesian product with z minus x. Z difference x. What is the element in z not found in x? We have the element in z not found in x. We have 2 and 4. Okay, look at z. It has 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5. And x has 5. Then in x, in z and not found in x, we have 2 and 4. Okay, the element 2 and 4 found in z and not found in x. Right, 2 and 4. Then the Cartesian product, we have 2 with 2, and then we write z difference y. Z difference y, it will be 2 again, z and y, 2 and not 2 again. Look at here, my students. I will write the states here to understood to see the sets. We have x and y and z. Z was 2, 4, 5. Look at here. He tell me z difference y. What's the element in z and not found in y? We have 5 and 4. Okay, 5 and 4 because 2 here found in y, and z difference x. Z difference x in z and not found in x. We have 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Then the Cartesian product, write 5 with 2. The first and second 5 with 4, and the third 4 with 2, and then 4 with 4. Okay, this question, self-evaluation number 4. You can read this example also to understand. Number of elements of Cartesian, you can find the number by times number of element of x and number of x of y. And n x2 times y, it will be 3 times 2 equals 6, and n x2 equals 3 to equal 9. Example number 5, self-evaluation. We have x x was 1, 2, 3. The number of element of x has 3 elements, and they give me number of x Cartesian product with y was 21. Number of element of y will be 7 because 3 times 7 is 21. Then n y2 will be 49. 7 times 7, 49. Next question. Cartesian product of two infinity sets, like product belonging to n by n, or z by z, or q by q, or r by r, like this question. Solution. Okay, I will explain this question here. Think with your classmate about this question. Number 1, the order square root of 4 and 5. Look at here. It's belonging to what? We know square root of 4 equal to, then 2 and 5 belonging to n by n. And number 2, we have cubic root of -8 and 3. Cubic root of -8, it will be -2. Then we have -2 and 3 belonging to z by z, integers and integers. Number 3, we have 2 and half and third. This fraction belonging to rational number. And number 4, square root of 5 and 1 belonging to r by r, because r here we called it relative numbers. Square root of 5 belonging to irrational number. Irrational number subset from r, then r by r. Now we complete questions from your book, student's book, lesson assessment. Number 1, choose the correct answer from the given ones. If we have order a and b equivalent the order -2 and b, find the value a plus b. First projection a equal -2, and second projection b will be equal 3. In the value of a plus b equal, a was -2 and b was 3. 3 plus -2, it will be 1. Number 2, we have first equal first and second equal second. Look at here, x will be equal 4, and then y minus 1 equivalent to 3. Then the value of y equals 3 plus 1 equal 4. We have x 4 and y 4. We can divide it, x by y, 4 divided by 4 equal 1. Next question. The Cartesian product between 3 and 5. It will be the set of 3 and 5. Give me the order in brackets. Choose letter D. Okay. Number 4, we have two sets. He won't find the order a and 5 is belonging to or not belonging to y Cartesian by x. Look at here, a belonging to x and 5 is belonging to y. Then a and 5 not belonging to y by x, then this point belonging to x and y, because a belonging to x and second projection 5 belonging to y. Then you must choose not belonging to. Next question. If x equal 3 and 5 and y equal set of 6 and 7, 6 and 7 belonging to what? Look at here, 6 and 7. Think with me, 6 lies in y and 7 lies also in y. Then this order belonging to y Cartesian by y, it will be y2. Choose letter D, because two elements lies in the y set. Okay. Number 6, which Cartesian product from the following point belonging to, look at here, 1/2 and square root of 5. Square root of 5 belonging to real number, because this is a rational number. Then the Cartesian, the answer about Cartesian products, order half and root 5 belonging to what? Belonging to r by r. This point to r by r, letter D. Next question, number 7, we have two sets. He give me the number of element y was 2, then the y2. Okay, he won't find the number of element on y2. First, we know the number of element of x. We have 3 elements in x. And number of Cartesian product x, Cartesian product with y was 6. Then the number of element y will be what? 3 times what equals 6? 3 times 2. In the number of elements in y, we have 2 elements. Then number of elements y2, 2 times 2 equal 4. Then the answer will be 4. Next question, number 8. X Cartesian product with y equal set of 1 and 4, 1 and 7, 1 and 8, and y2. Y, the element of y, it will be the second, 4 and 7 and 8. Then the number of element of y, 3. 3 power 2 equal 9. The result will be 9. Okay, choose letter D. Next question. We have x and y. He won't find number of x2 subtract by number of y Cartesian product by x. Look at here. X has 4 elements or 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. Then x has 5 digits. Okay, 5 elements. 5 power 2, it will be 25. And number y by x. Y has 4 elements and x has 5 elements. Then we have 25 minus 20, it will be 5. The answer will be 5. Choose letter E. Next question, number 10. We have n x2 equal 9. Then the number of element in x will be 3. And give me this information. Number of Cartesian product x by y was 12. In the number of element y, it will be 4. 3 times 4 equal 12. It's easy, okay? Then the number of y2, 4 times 4 equals 16. The answer will be letter D. Next question, number 11. X Cartesian product with y equal a and 5, 4 and 7, 9 and b, 9 and 5. He won't find x. The element of x equal what? X will be the first projection. The first projection here we have a and 4 and 9. A and 4 and 9. A was repeating. Then a will be 4. Then we have 4 and 9 only. Understood? Look at again. A and 4 and 9 and 9. Then a was repeating. It's meaning a will be 4. Then we have 4 and 9. Choose letter C. Understood? He repeating the first projection here. 4 and 5, 4 and 7, 9 and b, 9 and 5. Then the first projection will be a and 4 and 9. Then a will be 4. Give me here also x2. You won't find x. X is the first and second also. The first projection and second projection. Belonging to a. Then all elements belonging to it, like 4 and 9 was repeating. Understood? 4 and 9. Look at here. X 2, it's meaning x times x. X has 4 a b. And x also 9 a and b. Then x will be 4 and 9 because 4 was repeating and 9 was repeating here. Choose letter P. Understood? Find the value of each x and y. First order equals second order. Then the first projection equals first projection. Then x power 2 equal 4. Then x equal positive or negative square root of 4 equal 2. And y power 2 minus 2 equals 7. Then y power 2 equals 7 plus 2 equals 9. Then the value of y will be square root of 9. It will be positive or negative 3. This is question number 1. Number 2. First equal first and second equal second. 5 power x minus 2 equivalent to 1. 5 power 0, it will be 1. Then x minus 2 equals 0. Okay, then the value of x will be equal to. And second, x times y will be equal 18. X was 2. 2 times what equal 18? 2 times 9. And the value of y will be 9. Next question. If we have two orders are equal, you want to find the absolute value of 2a minus b. Then the first projection, 2a minus 3 equivalent to 4a, and 4 will be b plus 5. We can move 2a, subtract from 4, it will be 2a equal negative 3, then the value of a equal negative 3 over 2, and here b will be equal 4 minus 5, then the value of b it will be negative 1. Okay, understood. We have a and b. He wants to find the absolute value of 2a minus b. 2 product by a, 2 product by the value of a was negative 3 over 2, subtract b, negative times negative positive. In the absolute value, 2 divided by 2, 1, 1 times negative 3 equal negative 3 plus 1. Negative 3 plus 1 equal negative 2, absolute value of negative 2 equal 2. The result will be 2. Next question, number 15. We have x Cartesian product with y. We have 3 and 2. Cartesian product with 2 and 4. We have 3 and 2. 3 and 4. 2 with 2. 2 with 4. Number 2. Y Cartesian product by x. Y equal 2 and 4. Cartesian product with x. Two with 3. 2 with 2. 4 with 3 and 4 with 2. Number 3. x2 x by x. X was 3 and 2 with 3 and 2. First by first, we have 3 and 3 and 3 with 2, and then 2 with 3 and 2 with 2. It's number 3. Number 4. y2 y by y, right? 2 and 4 by 2 and 4. The first 2 with 2 and 2 with 4, and then 4 with 2 and then 4 and 4. Next question. We have x and y. You want to find the following using arrow diagram and Cartesian diagram. Okay. Number 1, we want to find x product by y, Cartesian product with y. X was 1, 2, 3, and the set of y equal x and y. The order will be 1 with x and 1 with y, and then 2 with x and 2 with y, and 3 with x and 3 with y. We have arrow diagram, 2 sets x and y. The element of x 1, 2, 3. The elements of y equal x and y. I will join from x to y. Look at here. 1 with x, 1 with y, 2 with x, 2 with y, 3 with x, and 3 with y. This is question number 1. Number 2. But he will find also about diagram. Okay, here I will find Cartesian diagram. I will complete number 1 here. Draw Cartesian diagram like this by ruler. Use ruler to find the answer. First x and second y. X has 1, 2, 3, and y has x and y. The element like this. This is question number 1. Question number 2. We have y Cartesian product with x. Y Cartesian product by x. Y was x and y. Cartesian product with x. X was 1, 2, 3. It's inverse about last question. Then we have x with 1 and x with 2, x with 3, and then y with 1, y with 2, and y with 3. Now I will draw arithmetic about two sets. We have x and y. Start about y and then x. Element of y equal x and y, and x was 1, 2, 3. And y, the image here. We can draw a Cartesian diagram like this. We have first and second. The first x or y, first y, and second x. Y was x and y, and x 1, 2, 3. Understood? What about number 3, x2? x2 is x Cartesian product by itself. We have x 1, 2, 3 by together 1, 2, 3. You can distribute, right? 1 with 1, 1 with 2, and 1 with 3, and also 2 with 1, 2 with 2, 2 with 3, and then 3 times 3 with 1, 3 with 2, and 3 with 3. We can draw x by x, 1, 2, 3. 1 with 1, 2 with 2, 3 with 3, 1 with 2, 2 with 1, 3 with 3, 2 with 3, and 3 with 1, and 1, also 2 with 3, and 3 with 2, 3 to 1, and 1 to 3, like this. And Cartesian product you can draw here like this, two sets, x and x, write 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then write the image in line, vertical line here to find the answer. Okay, you can complete y2. Okay, next question. We have three sets. We want to find number 1, x intersection y Cartesian product with y. X intersection with y, the intersection between x and y, the intersection at 4 in x and y. Okay, we have x was 6, 4, and 8, and y equal 3, 4, and 5, and z, no, x, y only. We have x and y only, 3, 4, and 5. He won't find intersection between x and y. The intersection between together equal 4. Y equal 3, 4, and 5. Then the first 4 and 3, 4 and 4, 4 and 5. Using arrow diagram about solution, he won't find solution represent arrow diagram. Arrow diagram about the first x intersection y and second y. Intersection was 4 and we have 3, 4, 5. We can draw like this, and then Cartesian diagram about first question. We can draw x intersection y down, the element of it 4, and here y we have 3, 4, and 5 like this. Question number 1. Question number 2. We want to find x difference y, Cartesian product with y. What is the element in x and not found in y? We have here the element in x not found in y. We have 6 and also 8. Y was 3, 4, and 5. The Cartesian product 6 and 3. 6 was 4. 6 was 5. 8 was 3. 8 was 4 and 8 was 5. Okay, understood? I will draw by using arithmetic. First was x difference y and second y. X difference y. What is the element in x not found in y? We have 8 and 6. I write here 6 and 8. And the second 3, 4, and 5. And then draw the ray from first to second. Like this. Okay, it's question number what? Number 2. This is question number 3. We have y minus x, y difference x, product by Cartesian, product by x. What is the element in y and not found in x? We have 3 and 5. Cartesian product by x, x was 6, 4, 8. We can find the product, write 3 with 6 and 3 with 4 and 3 with 5, 3 with 8. And then 5 with 6 and 5 with 4 and 5 with 8. Okay, this is number 3. I want to draw now arithmetic. We have y difference x and x. As 3 and 5, and here 6, 4, and 8. Okay, then we can draw Cartesian diagram also like this. We have y difference x and here x. We have 3 and 5 and here 6, 4, and 8. And write the image like this. And that's it. Okay, next question. We have also like this question. Okay, I will complete question 18. We have Cartesian product between two sets. You want to find x and y. Okay, listen to me. First step, we can find set of x, the first projection. Look at here 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4. The first projection, it will be 3 and 4. And y will be the second projection here 3, 7, 8, 3, 7, 8. Question number 2. Y Cartesian product with x intersection y. Y will be 3, 7, 8. The intersection between x and y, we have 3. 3 is a common between together. Then the Cartesian product, write 3 with 3, and then 7 with 3, and then 8 with 3. Number 3. X difference y, Cartesian product by y difference x. Okay, x difference y. What is the element in x not found in y? We have 4. And y difference x, what is the element in y not found in x? Who can tell me? We have 8 and 7. Four and 8, and then 4 and 7. Okay, understood. Next question, number 4. X union y, Cartesian product with x intersection y. X union y, x and y, write 3, 4, 7 and 8. And x intersection y, we have 3. In the first, 3 with 3, and 4 with 3, and then 7 with 3, and then 8 with 3. Okay, this is question number 4. Understood the intersection and union. Okay, next question number 5. Number of y2. Y has 3 elements, power 2, it will be 9. Number 6, n x2. X has 2 elements, 2 power 2, it will be 4. Now we have 3 sets here. I want to find from the Venn diagram x Cartesian product the difference between, or the intersection between y and z first. First, the element of x was 2 and 3, and intersection between y and z, look at here, y and z intersection at 5. In the Cartesian product, we can write 2 with 5 and 3 with 5. Okay, this question number 1. And question number 2, he won't find x union y, Cartesian product y difference z. X union y, x and y, you can write 2, 3, 4, 5. Cartesian product y difference z, the difference between y and z is 3 and 4. 2, we can write 2 and 3 first, and then 2 with 4, and then 3 with 3, 3 with 4, and then 4 with 3, 4 with 4, and then 5 with 3, and 5 with 4. This is number 2. Okay, next question number 20. From Venn diagram we can find x difference y, Cartesian product by y difference x. X difference y, what is the element in x not found in y? We have 2 and 8. And y difference x, what is the element in y and not found in x? We have 6, 4, 3. Then the Cartesian product, we have 2 and 6, 2 and 4, 2 and 3, and then 8 with 6, 8 with 4, and 8 with 3. Okay, Third question lies subject integration. Here is to number one of the cars belonging to company. One number is chosen from the number 1357 with the one letter from letters A, B, C. How many ways can this car be numbered? He asked about how many ways we can find the number of element in first, product the number of second. The number will be, we have 4 elements in the first, product by the number of elements in the second 3. 4 times 3 equal 12. Then we have 12 ways. So it's easy to find the number first and second product together. Probability, we have x and x Cartesian y. We have an order pair with chosen randomly from Cartesian product x by x. What's the probability that chosen the order pair belonging to Cartesian product? Here he wants to find the probability. Okay, the probability, right, we have here 3 element and here 3 element over x2, x by x will be 100. Then we can write the answer over 100. We have 4 elements here, 3 times 4 over 10 times 10. The result will be 12 over 100. Understood or explain? Okay, I will explain this question. First step, we can write the number of element x Cartesian by x. It will be 10 by 10, it will be 100. And the number of Cartesian product between two sets 1, 2 and 3, and also 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have 3 times 4 equal 12. Then the probability, we can find the number of Cartesian product about first and second divided by total part divided by the total, 12 over 100. The result will be 3 over 25 divided by 4 numerator and denominator. Understood? Okay, next question. Creating thinking. If x and y sets, how many order pairs x and y belonging to x by Cartesian product by y satisfies that the first projection an odd number and the second projection is not b? Okay, he gave me this information. The first projection about first an odd number like 1 and 3. Cartesian product, the second not b, cancel b here. We have a and c. Then the number will be what? The number of element here product by number of element here. 2 times 2 equal 4. And the number will be 2 times 2 is 4. And the answer will be 4. Okay. Next question, number 24. Number of element in x equal k of x was k. Number of element of x equal k and number of element of x Cartesian by y equal k plus 4. Then number of element of y not equal space. Number of element of y not equal what? Okay, we know number of x Cartesian by y equal k plus 4. It's meaning number of element of x product by number of element of y equal k plus 4. Number of element of x equal k, then k product by number of element of y equal k plus 4. He won't find number of element of y not equal what? We can write number of element of y here equal k plus 4 divided by k. Okay, you can solve this equation here. K product by number of element of y. Okay, move y, k here, then k product by number of element of y, move k, subtract by k, the result will be equal 4. And then write k had common factor between two numbers, k product by n number of element of y subtract by 1 will be 4. It's meaning number of element of y minus 1, it will be factors of 4 because k times number, two number product together equal 4. What is the meaning two number product together equal 4? It's meaning the second may be equal 1 or 2 or 4. Then n number of element in y subtract by 1 is the factors of 4. Then number of elements in y subtract by 1 is a factor of 4. Factors of 4 like this. N y minus 1 may be equal 1 and n number of element on y minus 1 may be equal 2 and number of element of y minus 1 may be equal 4. Factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. Then number of element in y minus 1 may be equal 1 or 2 or 4. We have three solution here. So my students, we have three solution. Number of element of y may be equal 1, 2 or 4 because two factors product together equal 4. Then this factor may be equal 1 or 2 or 4. Then we have three solution. I will found here about first number of element in y minus 1 equal 1. Then the number of element y will be equal 2 and the number of element of y equal 2 plus 1 equal 3 and the number of element of y equal 5. Then the three solution here 2, 3 and 5. Look at here 2, 3 and 5 here but 4 not found. Then number of element of y not equal to 4. Not equal to 4. The result here will be letter C. Okay, we solve the example by this method. I write this relation about this information, the example, and write move k here, the left hand side, and then write k hat cofactor between two terms, k product by number of element y minus 1 equal 4. Then number of element of y minus 1 it is a factor of 4. The factors of 4 will be 1, 2, 4. The result will be 1, 2, 4. Then we have 2, 3, 5. Factors of 4 we have 1, 2 and 4. Then the number of y may be equal 2 or 3 or 5. See the solution correct but number of element of y not equal to 4. Choose letter C.